Novo Nordisk has emerged as a leader in diabetes and obesity treatment with its blockbuster drugs Ozempic, Rybelsus and Wegovy. These drugs have made the Danish pharmaceutical giant the 12th most valuable company in the world. With demand booming for Wegovy and its diabetes drug Ozempic, the company is currently increasing production to meet the surge and anticipates further sales growth as supply increases and Wegovy enters new markets. With the development of new treatment aiming to enhance weight loss benefits and potentially address other health areas, the company saw its stock price soar after unveiling promising data for Amycretin, a potential new obesity drug, with early trials suggesting a higher effectiveness than the current blockbuster treatment Wegovy. This excitement has led Novo Nordisk to rank as one of the biggest companies in the world, with a market capitalization of 446.35 billion as of 25th of March. Novo Nordisk's history is rooted in the fight against diabetes dating back to the 1920s in Denmark, with the company establishing their presence in the US from the early 1980s. Since then, Novo Nordisk has expanded its focus beyond diabetes, developing treatments for obesity, hemophilia, growth hormone deficiencies, and rare endocrine disorders. They've also become a global leader with a presence in over 170 countries. Currently, one of their standout treatment drugs is Ozempic, but what is it? Ozempic is a brand name for the drug semaglutide. As a GLP-1 receptor agonist, it's a type of medication that helps the body regulate blood sugar levels, with it being a prescription medication used to treat type 2 diabetes in adults. It is also approved to reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events such as heart attack, stroke, or death in adults with type 2 diabetes and known heart disease. Although Ozempic has come to light for its weight loss purposes, it's not a weight loss medication. The drug reduces your appetite, so you eat less, slowing down the movement of your food in your gut, meaning you stay full for longer. Social media has driven its popularity with dramatic weight loss transformations linked to the use of Ozempic. Many celebrities have openly spoken about taking Ozempic medication, including Oprah Winfrey, Amy Schumer, Sharon Osbourne, Elon Musk, and many more. Some national health associations have linked the drug shortage to a surge in demand, advising pharmacists to restrict dispensing and prioritizing patients with diabetes. Some have highlighted concerns for diabetics who rely on Ozempic, stating the anxiety this shortage creates for those who need it to manage their condition. Many are waiting to see what the future holds for Novo Nordisk, but it is clear that there doesn't seem to be any signs of slowing down for the company as it continues to roll out new treatments. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to keep up to date with the latest on trading and investing.